and the triangle and quadrilateral, let us learn. And this chapter is constructions. So before learning, let's see the instruments what we will use in this chapter. For this is ruler or scale, and using the scale we'll measure the line segments and we'll draw the line segments. The particular measurement, it is taken here 0 to 40 centimeters. So, and this without the actual measurements, we'll draw the line segments using this whiteboard, and this is called compass. We'll make an arcs using this, and this is divider. We'll use this divider to measure the length of the line segments, and this will be helpful for us. And this is called protractor, and we'll measure an angles and we'll construct angles using this protractor. And two more things, these are called as set squares, and we have two different types of set squares we have. And this set square, three different types of angles we have. That is, one of the thing is 90 degrees and 30 degrees and 60 degrees. This largest angle what is formed here, the base what is the angle is formed, this is 60 degrees and this is 90, the remaining angle is 30 degrees. And this manner we construct an angles, particular angles using this. We also in different cases will draw parallel lines, perpendicular lines using this set square. And we have another set square here, and this is one of the angle is 90 degrees and remaining two angles are 45. These two angles are equal, and this is 45 and this is 90 degrees, 90, 45. And we also draw the angles, and we construct a perpendicular lines, and we draw parallel lines using these two set squares. And this is let's start with the line segment. Draw a line segment of 10 centimeters. Let's take ruler, square, the scale we have taken, and you can see here centimeters are given 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. These are the centimeters. So this is 10 centimeters is from 0 to 10. Let's draw. We'll take a scale, just place it on the board or paper. How we should draw on the paper, we use a scale and just put it on the paper, and we take a pencil and just using the dot of the 0 from 0, and we draw till 10. So this is 10 centimeters. So 0 to 10 centimeters. Name this line segment as AB. A and B is 10 centimeters. For example, let's draw for 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters, line segment of 20. This is 10 centimeters we have drawn. Let's draw for 20 centimeters. Starting with 0, the 0, and here 20, 0 and 20. Between these two, the two values is 20 centimeters. So join these 2 points. We get a 20 centimeters line segment, name it as CD. It's line segment which measures 20 centimeters. In this manner we draw line segments. These are line segments which are having 2 endpoints. We have already discussed in the geometry part. So a point, line segments, all those things we have discussed. So the line segment which is 20 centimeters we have drawn here, and similar manner how much measurement we require line we'll draw using the scale. And let's go to the next concept, that is perpendicular bisector. Draw a line segment of 30 centimeters. Draw a line segment of 30 centimeters and draw perpendicular bisector for it. Draw perpendicular bisector. Draw perpendicular bisector for it. And let's draw a line segment for this. Line segment of 30 centimeters. So let's take a scale and 0 to 30. So keep the scale on the paper. We have taken, let's see, this is a paper and scale. So this is a scale paper and scale and pencil. We are using the pencil here as a marker. So let's see, 0 and 30 centimeters, 2 points we have taken. The 2 points, after taking these 2 points, join these 2 points, same as it is, using this line, using this scale. Using the scale, we have joined these 2 points, that is A and B. A and B are 2 points. We join them. So after joining these 2 points, we need to draw a perpendicular bisector for it. So let's see what is a perpendicular bisector. Bisector, the meaning of bisector is making it into 2 equal parts. What is the thing? Or line segment that should be divided into 2 equal parts. That is called bisector. It is divided into 2 equal parts. The line segment is divided into 2 equal parts. We call bisector. So perpendicular bisector, line which is divided into 2 equal parts, and it is making 90 degrees with the other line what we have divided. Then that is called perpendicular bisector, which makes 90 degrees angle with the other. So let's draw bisector and perpendicular bisector. So we have some process to draw a perpendicular bisector for it. Let's use compass. So this is a compass. We already have discussed about it, and this is the point, and this is we have taken pencil on another hand, and we use this compass for drawing an arc and to measure the line segments and so on. So let's make an arc. So let's take this. Just we'll use some of the measurements, and let's take some measurement on this line segment, which is more than half of the 30 centimeters. It should be more than half of the 30, means it should be 16, 17, 18. It's not that particularly we need to have it particular centimeters, and we can take more than half anything. It should be just a approximate value of this on 30 degrees. It's more than half. Just by seeing we can observe it's more than half length on 30 centimeters. So we have taken more than half. So using this and this will place it the point on the point A. Make an arc. We made an arc with point A, with the same radius. Let's take this point on B and make an arc on this using point B. Let's recall, we have taken a line segment of 30 centimeters and using point A making arc, and this measurement is more than half on 30 centimeters. So it's more than half on 30 centimeters, and after that we have taken the point A and made an arc, and point B we cut that arc, and similarly just we take the same measurement and draw the same arcs and below the line segment, and we have taken above the line segment. The similar manner we take this same process on below the line segment. So first arc using point A and second one point B. Let's see these two arcs we got, and this is intersection of two arcs and intersection of two arcs, and on above the line segment and below the line segment using particular process we have done. So let's see these two arcs lying on the same line. You can observe just so take these 2 points, the arcs, intersection of the arcs. Here we got the 2 points. So take that 2 points and join them with the line segment. So let's draw using the scale. We have taken the scale and joined them. We have joined the line segment and just measure these 2 parts which are divided. Let's take this point as O. What is the point? So let's find out what is the measurement of AO and OB. So let's see, OA is 15 centimeters exactly. Just observe carefully. This is 15 centimeters. And another part is also 15 centimeters because this is 30. This is 15 centimeters. And this other part OB is also 15 centimeters. AO is equals to OB is equals to 15 centimeters. The line segment which is 30 centimeters divided into 2 parts that make it to 15 centimeters, 15 centimeters is called perpendicular bisector. This is bisector. And what is meant by perpendicular bisector is which is making 90 degrees with the base of AB which the line segment is divided. So let's find out what is the angle made by this perpendicular bisector with the base with the line segment AB. So let's take the point. The initial point is O, and that will keep it on the initial point of O on the line segment. So we place it. Let's place it on this. So we place it exactly. So we can observe this is exactly 90 degrees. We can observe this is exactly 90 degrees. This line is making 90 degrees with the line segment AB. The perpendicular bisector is making the bisector is making angle of 90 degrees with the line segment AB. So we call this is perpendicular bisector. So what we understood is perpendicular bisector. It doesn't mean that nothing but it's divided into 2 equal parts and also makes 90 degrees with the base of which we have divided the line segment. So this is the concept. So let's go to the next concept. Let's take a compass and scale. Using this two, we'll draw a circle. Let's take an example. Construct circle using the radius of 10 centimeters. We need to construct a circle using the radius of 10 centimeters. What we have learned in previous classes and previous chapter about the geometry. In the geometry, circle, a simple figure, a plane figure which has a fixed point and fixed distance. And fixed point is called center. The fixed distance is called radius. So that using the radius, we'll draw a circle, and different radii we can draw different circles. That concept we have learned in previous chapter. So let's draw a circle using the radius of 10 centimeters. Circle using radius of 10 centimeters. So let's take two instruments, scale and compass. So use 10 centimeters on compass. So in this manner we'll measure and take the scale and measure 10 centimeters on compass. So this is 10 centimeters. We measure, we have taken 10 centimeters radius on compass. So let's see, in from 0 to 10 we have taken the 0 and 10, between 0 to 10. So this is the measurement of 10 centimeters we have taken. So let's draw a line segment using this. Take a point, and using this point make an arc in this side and join these two. Join these two and we get a line segment. And this is a line segment we call, and take this initial point as well. And now this is 10 centimeters as we know, and radius, this is the radius. So let's take the center as O and the fixed point we have discussed earlier. Using this point O, draw a circle. We have drawn a circle using this point. So this is a circle of 10 centimeters. Let's draw a circle using 20 centimeters. Circle with 20 centimeters. Similarly, we'll take 20 centimeters on compass. So this is the measurement which we've taken. So 0 to 20. Exactly 20 we need to take. So 0 and 20 is the measurement. Let's say again 0 and 20 on 20 itself. So this is a 20 centimeters. I'm using this radius. We can put a point, and using this point, and without taking the radius also we can make. But let's make the radius first. 0 to a point. 0 and to a point. Point 4 and another point. We'll take it and impart on the circle, and this is radius of 20 centimeters. And let's join this 2 using the ruler. Let's join this, and this is called radius. You know, radius we have taken 20 centimeters, and as already we have taken a radius on compass, and this completes the circle. Let's draw it again.